All right, guys, this week in my live cast, I got a comment saying, give us a tour of the office. We want to see the office. We want to see all the people. And so I'm just sneaking in. And so I'm going to show you around, but nobody knows I'm filming. So let's just keep this between you and me. So anyway, this is our office here, office door, our stairs we walk up and all that type of fun stuff. Let's bring it around here so you get an idea of our office. So we got our entryway and all that type of fun stuff in here. Like I said, I didn't turn the lights on or anything. So let me just, let me bring you in here. This is one of our meeting / interview rooms, one-on-one rooms. We've got a cool property. This is a property we funded that made the list. We kind of voted, and this was the cute house that we decided to put on the wall in our office. We've got all our technology and TV, so we can look at metrics and statistics and all that type of stuff. We've also got here some cool stuff. We've got our best workplace to work. We've got our best 1,000 companies, or best 100 companies. We've also got our Inc. 5000 awards here when you first walk in, you know, so fastest growing companies in North America, which we're super excited about. We're always doing funny things, like somebody decided to do Just Ask Ryan instead of Just Ask Waldo. I don't know. So anyway, we've got another interview room over here. Interview one-on-one. It also is like a mother's lounge. So, you know, if somebody's nursing and needs to pump milk and that type of stuff, they can come in here and close this door. We've got another room over here. Man, I just keep walking into these dark. This is just another meeting room, you know, that we've got here. We've got all our storage and supplies and, you know, all that kind of fun stuff. You know, the junk room, like the junk drawer everybody's got in their kitchen. That's kind of what that one is here. Over here we've got all our core values, which we're pretty passionate about: honor, service, honor, achievement, passion, pioneer, initiative. Those are our core values. We've got them up. We do nominations, that type of stuff. This is another one of our offices, currently not in use, so this is kind of turned into a second junk room. Don't tell anybody. This is super cool. This is the Vivint Arena where my Utah Jazz play, and we are trying to fill the arena with YouTube subscribers. And so each one of these dots represents one of our YouTube subscribers, and this is our goal, is to fill that in. If you're not currently a YouTube subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Help me hit my goal of filling up the Vivint Home Arena, home of the Utah Jazz, who happen to be #1 right now in the NBA. They probably, well, you never know. When you're watching this, who knows what will happen. This is our boardroom, okay? So we've got double TVs up here. We've got the timer, so people who talk long have to realize it. We've got all our technology so we can video conference in. But this is our boardroom. This is where we come in and have like our executive meetings. We have our leadership meetings, those types of important meetings, interviews, that type of stuff. All happens in this space that's just right here. As we come up, we've got a couple of cool things here. We got somebody's mug. Like I said, I didn't tell them. We won the corporate games, which is athletic events and different things, trivia, everything else we do. We also have our top workplaces and our fastest growing company. So got some cool stuff going on there. We'll give you a tour just right here, and then we'll sneak in and say hi to everybody. So we've got, this is Matt's office. He doesn't know that we came through. So this is accounting, which is right here. Oh, Diane's gone today. She's out of the office today. This is my office. Man, all these lights are off. So one of the things, for those of you that are really into conservation and not using more, you should. All of our lights turn off if there's not motion, because there's motion sensors on them, so we can try and conserve lights and electricity and all that type of fun stuff. I probably should show you. I've got my signed Steve Jobs, Think Differently, and for any of you Ayn Rand fans out there, we've got an Ayn Rand signed dollar or silver certificate on a dollar bill. Our podcast / filming studio, I usually keep that locked up, so let me get the keys to that, and let's give you a quick tour on this. Now again, this is all because one of you in my last live cast said, give me a tour of the office. I want to see the place. I want to see some people. So this is this is our film studio, okay? Every single Tuesday at 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, I am in here filming away, and we're doing a live cast where you can come in and ask questions and that type of stuff. So you can see we've got lights, we've got more lights, we've got cameras, we've got overhead, we've got the speakers, we've got another camera, we've got microphones. I mean, there's so much stuff in here. It is insane. Another microphone, you know, I don't know, all kinds of stuff that's in here. So that's where I do all the filming. Let me throw my keys in there because I don't want to walk around with them. Okay, so here we go. Nobody knows. This is Richard. He helps out with our processing loans, working with the banks and title companies. We got Darren that's going to help you in getting your property and working through it to make sure we get contractor bids. We have our project managers that are in the field. Somewhere Brandon's hiding. You got Ali, who's one of our rock stars, that's going to be helping out as you have questions. He's over here. We've got Brenda that helps with our all of the evaluations, making sure the agents are getting out of the property, and so many other things. So again, this is for you guys. This is our acronym. This is the Happy Award. You know, we just dropped in. I didn't tell anybody that we were coming. Brandon's actually hiding in there, so we'll hit him up. This is one of our phone booths. Find it, fund it, fix it, flip it, and freaking do it again. So we come in here, like if you need to, since we have an open office environment, if you need to like fight with your spouse or something, you can come in and turn the lights on there. See, we've got Allie that's in there hiding away as she's taking a few minutes in the phone booth. We also have this cool thing. This is called our Wall of Fame. This shows like profits and people's great experiences and how they had very little cash to close and how much money they were able to make on some of these properties. We just have this Wall of Fame that just goes and goes. And as a matter of fact, we haven't updated this in years because we've had so many of them. We just didn't know where to keep putting them. Okay, this is our DHM cafe. We caught Brandon in here eating, which is fantastic. So this is where we come. We have our all company meetings in here. And let me show you our IT room, all because you asked for it. If you've got a question you'd like to have me answer in one of these Just Ryan videos, type it in the comments below. Okay, look at this. This is all our stuff to run. This is our servers that run it. We've got a special AC unit that keeps us temperature controlled, so all this stuff can work. So our softwares and all our online and everything can be working for you. We've got this entire space that's dedicated just towards that to make sure everything is functioning properly and you guys are getting the best service and the best help possible. Okay, don't forget we've got the candy machine that my boys invested in. We're trying to do that. We've got obviously our fridges. This is one of our big claim to fames, which is a full Coke freestyle machine. And one of the cool things is if you get the Coca-Cola app, you can mix flavors. But one of the interesting things is they have all different flavors. So you like zero sugar Minute Maid? Well, guess what? You can have it in lemon. You can have it in cherry limeade. You can have it in orange lemonade. You can have it in pink lemonade. The options are endless here. Okay, so this is kind of, we've got our sinks and our stoves and our microwaves and blenders. And you know, we've got a full kitchen setup here so that we can keep everybody happy and motivated and here to help you guys out. This is the place. We'll get a little tour. We usually play a little HGTV because we love watching home flips and renovations just as much as you do. Okay, we're on the other side here. So on this side, this is where we're helping people get started in real estate investing. So somebody that's interested is going to talk to one of our associates, work with one of our directors, and so you can get a feel here. We've got properties that have been done in the past. You can get a feel for who we're working with. These are rooms that people can come in and have private conversations in. I probably should turn on some lights, right? Okay, so we've got private conversation rooms here. We've got Hunter on the phone that's working with somebody. We've got Drew that's waiting to talk to somebody. We've got Carlos that's helping somebody out here. We've got deals that I've done. If you really want to see, we've got all our parking. There's remodel happening next to us, and it looks like somebody's getting their glass replaced. It looks like Jason's getting his car glass replaced. We'll have to hear about that. Okay, we got Shelby and Megan over here in the servicing, helping people get those properties resold, get them paid off, and making sure that rehab's going on, along with all of our project managers that are out in the field helping out to make sure our customers are having success. That's what we're all about here. We've got a little conference room here. I told you nobody knew it was happening. So little conference room here. We come in, have our meetings, have some strategy. This is one of my favorite rooms. We call it the beach room, which is also one of our conference rooms. You know, we come in, we have our meetings, we get everybody together, and we pretend like we are in Hawaii, which if I stand over here, I'll be like, oh, I'm just sitting on the beach, you know? So anyway, so we've got that. Now, let's get in. These guys will tell you that they work harder than anybody else. I'll let you guys decide. We got our marketing and IT department in here. We got Cam that helps out with the blog, writing the content, doing the emails. We've got Jonathan who does all the IT, takes care of everything. We've got Jordan, you can see just by his desk. He's in charge of all the hardware and all this mess. You guys can tell me who has the messiest desk when we get in with this. Just type it in the comments below. Whoever you think has the messiest desk, I would appreciate it. So we've got this space as well. Now, I gotta come over so that I can show you the rest of the space. I'm doing this for you because you asked for it on the live cast. So if you're not enjoying those live casts, if you're not attending those live casts, make sure you come join every Tuesday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is just an impromptu tour of the office. Obviously not everybody's here. Some people are in different places, you know, all that type of fun stuff. But in the end, I wanted to give you an idea of what the office looked like, what some of the people look like. There's Jason. I think his car is the one that's getting the new windshield. We'll have to find out why here in a minute. Otherwise, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day. Consider subscribing to our channel if you're not already. I hope you've enjoyed our impromptu tour of the office. Make it a great day. Make it a profitable day. And bye for now.